Welcome fans to an unboxing of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series. Number 3 of 3 in the X-ray body with the recrushable car is Crusader. I like to call him Lucas Oil Crusader. One of the things is in 2018 is the last time we'll see Lucas Oil Crusader. He's not coming back as a sponsor, so let's take a look at the trucks. Gravedigger in Epic Editions, El Toro Loco, Chromo Frost, Big Kahuna Tour Favorites, Radical Rescue in Epic Editions, Bad News Travels Fast and Clear Crushers. There's Crusader, Monster Mutt, Junkyard Dog in the MJ Dog Pound, Brutus in the MJ Dog Pound, and Pirate's Curse in Tour Favorites. So this Crusader is from Mix L, which I got from Grandpa's Diecast. So without further ado, let's take a closer look. Here is the recrushable car that looks like a station wagon to me. Well, it reminds me of a station wagon. Here comes the Lucas Oil Crusader into the arena. And boy, does that chassis really stand out. The silver chassis kind of stands out more than the X-ray body. Now, it does have the BKT Hot Wheel tires. Now, this is supposed to be an X-ray body where you see through in the body. Pretty plain and simple, but one thing that I kind of don't really understand is you can't really see through the body because of the graphics on the truck. Now let's go ahead, and you probably already know a lot of the graphics on the truck, what the truck looks like of Crusader. Very nice. Nothing real special. Lucas Oil Crusader and on the back. So that's what it looks like, but to get a X-ray body to go through, I mean, maybe I don't have the right lighting, but it's pretty hard to see through the body. So I don't know. Don't know what your thoughts will be when you comment, if it's good or not. But okay, that rounds up the unboxing and review for Lucas Oil Crusader. Thank you for tuning in.